All right, it's May the 4th, of course, Star Wars Day and all that. So basically, tomorrow, actually, it's in Australia, so it might actually be today. They were supposed to have their Revenge of the Fifth balloon jam down there, and I was going to kind of do a sale for 30 days and give free shipping from Kathmandu to Sydney. And then from there, JayJay will send out bags, but of course, that would be your responsibility to pay from Sydney to wherever you're at, and then whatever little VAT would be also added to that. But I'm going to cover the major cost. So we're going to take care of that. That's a sale that's going on for everybody in Australia for the next 30 days. And then I just got news today that Eddy, the guy that goes with me on tour, I'll put a picture up here, his family's house burned down to the ground. Literally, there is nothing left. I mean, his dad's boat's gone. There was 10 people living in the house in the Bahamas. The whole thing is just ash. It's really, really sad. So I'll post some pictures over there. So what we're going to do with that is I'm going to continue the sale for Australia, and then we're also going to do a 25% on all sales across the board. So any sales from Australia, any sales from the US, Europe. I actually got something I'm working on from Europe, so I'm going to throw that in the mix as well. So for the next 30 days, any Bagaloon sales, I will donate 25% to Eddy's family, because they have nothing. They need to rebuild their house. They have nothing. We're gathering some blankets. We've already sent some money down there. We're doing what we can. It's a really bad situation. So that's what we're doing. If you guys can help, check out his website. I will, or not his website, but his channel on that. I will put all the links down below in that. He does have a PayPal. He also has a GoFundMe that they set up to raise money to build a house. And then his sister is taking all donations. She, I believe, lives down in Florida, so there is an address to ship to. And at that point, she will get them to the family. But for right now, they have nothing. So we sent some cash down there so they can get some food, they can get some basic clothing and all that, and then we will try to get them as comfortable as possible. All right, guys, thank you. Do what you can, please. Thanks. All right, bye.